Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize cover effectively in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, opt for cover that offers protection from multiple angles. Crouch or go prone behind cover to present a smaller target. Use cover to peek out and take shots, then quickly return to safety. Don't stay in one spot behind cover for too long to avoid being a predictable target. Utilize the third-person perspective to see around cover without exposing yourself. Duck behind cover to safely heal and regain armor. Provide suppressing fire from behind cover to support teammates advancing or retreating. Use cover to flank enemies and catch them off guard. Always have cover nearby to quickly duck behind in case of incoming fire. Coordinate with teammates to provide covering fire while they move and vice versa. Be mindful of blind spots from cover and adjust your position accordingly. Use elevated cover to gain a height advantage over enemies. Utilize natural cover. Trees, rocks, and vehicles can provide effective cover in outdoor environment. Use smoke grenades or decoy to create distraction while moving between cover. Shield yourself behind cover while reviving downed teammates. Change your position behind cover to surprise enemy who may be expecting you in one spot. Pre-aim to potential enemy position while behind cover to be ready for engagements. Use cover to bait enemies into exposing them for easy kills. Keep close to corners of cover to quickly peek around and engage enemies. Duck behind cover while reloading to avoid being caught vulnerable. Use cover while completing objectives to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Keep enemy pinned down behind cover with sustained fire to limit their movement. Utilize vehicles for cover during mobile engagements. Use cover to hide and listen for approaching enemy footsteps. Move between cover points unpredictably to avoid being an easy target. Be cautious of using destructible cover that can be destroyed by explosives. Seek cover indoors or behind solid structures during enemy airstrikes. Quickly loot items behind cover to minimize exposure to enemy fire. Take cover after taking a shot as a sniper to avoid retaliation. And that's how to utilize cover effectively in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.